Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copy your Trust Wallet private key. First, it's crucial to understand the immense power of this key. It grants complete control over your digital assets. Therefore, you must exercise extreme caution and never, under any circumstances, share it with anyone. This guide is for your personal backup only. To begin, open your Trust Wallet application. Once it's loaded, look for the settings icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access the main settings menu. From there, you will see an option labeled Wallets. Select this to proceed to your wallet management screen. On the wallet management screen, identify the specific wallet for which you want to copy the private key. Tap the three dots located next to that wallet's name. A menu will appear. Select either Show Secret Phrase or Show Private Key. You will then be prompted to authenticate using your password or biometric security. After successful authentication, your private key will be displayed. Carefully copy this key. It is paramount that you store this information in an extremely secure offline location, such as a written note kept in a safe or on a dedicated hardware wallet. Absolutely avoid saving it on cloud services, email, or any digital format connected to the internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.